Buenamente, Marco J. in the video, and today we're going to be talking about Altura and some of the tweets that the official Altura account has posted about someone potentially laundering some money or stealing some funds from the project, and basically dumping the project another 15%, and all time it is down 98%. Like, Jesus Christ, like in the past year it's down 81%. Like, it's so from the all-time high. It's just really bad luck. And I know you guys have told me to talk about Altura. Some of you guys follow Altura, so this one's for you guys. I appreciate everyone that has subscribed. We need 3 more subscribers for 1,000 subscribers, so please, if you're one of those that hasn't subscribed just yet, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, or whatever you want to do. I still appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. Anyways, the tweet is about 2 hours old. It comes from the main account. It says, from April 30th to the present day, Nicholas Tremblay, a senior engineer at Altura Hago, minted over 150 million ALU maliciously and sold it all on the open market. And they basically have a thread, which I will say, I do not know this person. I don't even think this is real. If this is a real person, this looks AI made. I don't know. I really don't know what the situation, but we're going to be going over all the layers, and you're going to let me know in the comment section, what do you think about all of this? Really, because this to me is crazy. I have my own thoughts, but obviously we'll leave it at the end. Anyways, they go on to say Nick Tremblay Hago was a senior engineer who handled contract. He owned and controlled the wallet. They have the wallet address, so if you guys want to see it on chain, let me know. I'm not going to do that right now, but if you guys want to see it, which is used to deploy the mint burn token from Altura's Ethereum CC/IP bridge. Nick was given the trust to deploy the Ethereum bridge, and he coded in a malicious custom fallback, which XOR mask called data. I'm not really technical. I really do not know what all these kind of coding things mean, so bear with me. It fetches an attacker chosen address with stacked call, then calls it to the pool, and the pool holds a mint roll. Then you can definitely see here, like I said, if anyone's a developer, let me know if this is true. Simply a hardwired exploit designed to mint unlimited ALU, and the multi-sig wallet owned by Maj Hal, by the founder, was not interacted with at any time but to deploy the contract which they provided. And you can see in the screenshots below the carelessness that Altura leadership showed in this. And then here's basically some of the things Hago said, what they needed. Here's them talking. Tanner was one of the other CEOs, or he was a CTO or CMO, or the CO, whatever it was. And then we can see here all the different other transactions. Using this exploit, Nick used a wallet, and here's a wallet to deploy a backdoor contract, and here's a contract. This wallet was also used for executing the backdoor contract each time they wanted to mint the tokens. In total, Nick made $1.4 million in profit, 187,000 of which was sold on Ethereum, with the remaining bridge to Ethereum stealing the deposit of users on the bridge. The was funded via Bybit, and then proceeds were sent to Binance and Kyrex. I never even heard of this. Kyrex, among others. It remains unknown why Maj, founder and CEO of Altura, is missing. Unconfirmed reports indicate Maj has been admitted to a mental institution twice in the last month, along with restraining orders for domestic abuse. But based on on-chain analysis, he was not involved. And I have my own thoughts. Whenever we get news like this, I don't know if you guys remember the news from Zero Bro that he allegedly, did something really bad to himself, and it turned out not being true. So I don't really know. Anyways, if you see here, a lot of people are saying that Hago is innocent, that Maj is lying. They have proofs that they own multiple wallets, and they're trying to blame Hago, blah, blah, blah. So I do think Hago is not really a real person. I've tried searching him up. If Hago, if you're watching this video and you're a real person, let me know and we could talk. But I really don't think this guy is real. This looks AI generated, if you ask me. And then if you go under Discord, it looks like a complete mess. I'm really sorry for it. I really don't want to laugh to a lot of people that lost money with this. But yeah, it's just really unfortunate. And you can see here, March, he says a new CEO is coming on board on June 12th. Right now it's July 9th. Nothing has happened. And if you remember the last video, or I don't think I talked about this in the last video, but I made some comments. There was a COO that was going to be AI. So their new COO was a AI CEO. So I don't really know. Anyways, stay far away from this. I really am sorry if you lost money. Really, really sorry. But yeah, hopefully, you put your money elsewhere and it goes up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. As always, thank you so much. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.